So I installed the moskomoto Nomax tank bag on Triumph. I mean, this part was pretty easy. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. There's two buckles here. Just open them up. Open that buckle right there, which is this one right here. Open this up, loop it around the thing, and it just loops around. The back was the tricky one. Couldn't find a spot, so this is the spot. Instead of going directly to this, I went around. So that side is coming on this side, and that side is coming on that side. And when it comes here, they provide you with a tie-on. Loop a tie-on around this frame. It comes out. Put it through this loop and tie it on this side and tie it on that side. And it's pretty sturdy. It ain't going anywhere. That's my installation of Nomax tank bag quickly.